What's up guys, Shane Starnes here with Droid Modder X, and we're getting closer and closer to the official release of the Galaxy S9, but we've already got all sorts of leaked data. This is the official first look at the Galaxy S9. Let's go ahead and get started. Everything that we've seen so far indicates that the Galaxy S9 will be less of a revolutionary jump and more of an incremental upgrade. Olixar, along with several other case manufacturers, have already confirmed the front and rear design of the Galaxy S9. We know that we're looking at mostly an unchanged front design on the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus. We were expecting some thinner bezels on the front of the display, but we're probably not going to get those thinner bezels. Instead, it's going to look pretty much unchanged on the front of the phone, where most of the design changes are coming in place will be on the back of the phone. Instead of that horizontal camera and fingerprint setup that most people were not fond of, we're finally going to get a vertical setup with the fingerprint scanner being placed more in the center of the back of the phone. It's just going to be a more comfortable placement of the fingerprint scanner. On the Galaxy S9, we're going to get a single camera, and the Galaxy S9 Plus will have a dual camera. We'll still have a single bottom firing speaker as well as a bottom placed 3.5mm headphone jack, and that all-important never-used Bixby button right below the volume rocker. When it comes to the display, as far as Samsung is concerned, if it's not broke, don't fix it. We're gonna get that same 18.5:9 aspect ratio as we saw on the Galaxy S8 and also the Galaxy Note 8. The S9 will feature the same 5.8-inch QHD Super AMOLED Infinity display, while the S9 Plus will have a slightly larger 6.2-inch Super AMOLED QHD Infinity display. We can expect to see a bit of an improvement in performance when it comes to the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. The US variants of the Galaxy S9 will include a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, while the international versions will include an Exynos 9810. The Galaxy S9 will have 4GB of RAM, while the S9 Plus will see a slight bump to 6GB of RAM. In the US, the Snapdragon 845 will give us about a 20% performance boost with a 30% boost in efficiency, so you're going to get a faster phone that saves battery. The Exynos 9810 version is going to have a little bit more of a substantial performance boost, up to 40% performance boost with multi-core performance, and up to double the performance of single-core processing power. The Exynos 9810 is also set to feature neural network-based learning and depth sensing, which means that Samsung might be looking to compete with Face ID on the iPhone X. The biggest update to the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will likely be in the form of the camera. Of course, the Galaxy S9 will more than likely pick up the Galaxy Note 8 features of live focus and that 2x optical zoom, but with the CPU capabilities in both phones, you're going to see a lot of software improvements with these cameras. With faster and more energy efficient image and visual processing, users will see advanced stabilization for images and video of up to UHD resolution, real-time autofocus photography in high resolution, and brighter pictures in low light with reduced noise and motion blur is what we can expect from these cameras. Not only are we going to see those processing improvements, but we're also going to see an upgrade in the lens itself. The Galaxy S9 will feature an f1.5 aperture lens, while the Galaxy S9 will feature an f1.4 aperture lens. When you compare that to the Galaxy Note 8's f1.7 aperture lens, you can see how this will perform way better in low light situations, reducing noise and eliminating image blur. As far as features are concerned, the Galaxy S9 will still be a feature-rich phone. You can expect waterproofing, you can expect a micro SD card reader, you can also expect to see fast wireless charging, and I think that the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will finally feature an improvement in a fast charging. So for the longest time, Samsung devices have used their own proprietary fast adaptive charging, which is more based on the performance of Quick Charge 2.0. I think we'll finally see an improvement in fast charging over the wire. If we don't, then you know that that's a signal that Samsung is moving towards an all wireless feature, and eventually we may have that USB port removed completely. While many may consider the Galaxy S9 a boring incremental build, I think there's enough here to warrant the upgrade. We'll see for sure here in a few months when the phone is announced at Mobile World Congress in February. That about wraps it up for this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. You can find more of me at droidmodderx.com. Follow me on Twitter at droidmodderx. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.